Hello guys on YouTube and Twitch. Thursday, almost the end of the week. Let's see what the markets have left for us this week. Let me put some background music for you first. Let's go. Let me change the title on Twitch. Let's go. Everything is okay on YouTube too. And there. And let me launch TikTok and let's go see what the market did since yesterday and recap every move I made basically. Okay. Let's go on TikTok. And here we go. So since yesterday, I already opened this. You saw that. I opened 2 trades on Euro NZD because I closed one up there. I think it was 1.6k. Yes, indeed. And I reopened one because I liked the price action during the day opening, and now it's time to look for short. Actually, can I remove this? And it's time to short. Too long. We have a pullback. Exactly what we're waiting for. Actually, on Euro NZD anyway. And I TP earlier my trade on USD GPY because of fractal bullish 4 hour, no liquidity left to take. I was hoping for another trade. Actually, we could potentially take it if we have back in this. Then why not reshort this? And I took 4.6k. It was on USD GPY. I did not take the risk basically to give back more money. ITO, ITRIS, yes, I long USD CHF because I guess you saw the same thing than me. Personally, it was based on fractal 4 hour price action, 1 hour price action, but I guess you saw also the divergence. There 4 hour, it's the same in 1 hour on the pullback, nothing against us. And I took it in the order block 4 hour when fractal bullish 1 hour also. And bonus, it's just on the 61% Fibonacci of all of this. So yes, Trees, we are on the same boat. I got stop on US 30. I did not check US 30 today. I have yes, one of my alarm rang actually when you dropped because yes, I was expecting a short if possible, maybe to have one in this. SP, yes, SP, good trade. Like I said, he bait me once, but to be honest, if I stay in 4 hour, 1 hour, it's almost impossible that same asset SL me twice, to be honest. So yes, I mean, I'm still in this on SP based on 4 hour, I think I'm safe targeting the low, except if I saw something like this in 4 hour, I'll maybe be out sooner. So we'll see, but now I'm on the right train, let's say. And let's update every chart I usually have on my watch list. Do you trade DAX 40? I trade DAX 30 because actually I did not do this actually. I thought about it when you break this. But it's almost the same. The issue it's DAX 40. It's not on every broker. That's why I'm focusing on DAX 30. Like I said, I missed it there. I was hoping to take it back there. It was possible. But anyway, still bullish, probably. Maybe not now that fractal bearish. Maybe it was just this corrective wave like this. It's between 1.23. That's why you have this pullback. Five-minute divergence of the drop. Yeah, true. But anyway, that doesn't mean it can't still go to the top. We'll see later. If I was in this trade since the bottom, I think I would be still in it probably. But anyway, I'm not in it, so I don't care. Okay. So let me update every chart I have. Jordan, you took the gold. You took the short on gold. I did not. Once he bait me 2 days ago it was. I did not, but my thought was still bearish, but I was waiting for him to break this huge order block 4 hour. So now maybe he gave a pullback. I can check in 1 hour to short later. We'll see. But personally, I'll probably still be in if I was in short like you, basically. So yeah, why not? I liked it. I don't know how you took the short, Jordan, but why not? Okay, let's go. Let me update every chart. I did not check a lot of things today except USDC Chef. I'm surprised, to be honest, on my trade on NZD CHF. I'm surprised about this pullback. We'll see. Did not stop me yet. But SP, nothing new. I already explained it since like 2-3 days what the plan was. The optimal target, it's a new low. We'll see. I'm not worried, except if the 4 hour time frame do something like this. I need already know it's okay. French indices, nothing new. Into this. Don't hesitate if you want me to analyze something for you, of course. If you want my opinion on one trade you have, or a trade ID you have soon. And I'm just gonna update every chart I have. Okay, French indices, I don't care. Nasdaq, like SP, but I prefer SP because SP filled his gap Nasdaq did not, but sure, it's still possible to short Nasdaq probably, but I'm not gonna double my risk. Basically, I'm already on SP. Nasdaq can completely go up there before going all the way down, but as you know, I'm bearish on Nasdaq till 23.8 basically. I don't care. US 30 corrected 50% there, but price action 4 hour. I don't want to long this. Why not long later? US 30 if he does something like this. But till then, probably time to look for short in this. DAX, like I said, I don't really care anymore. I did not took it. US oil, for those who liked it, absolutely nothing to do. Like the last few days, still afraid it's gonna range. Bitcoin, like I said, time to short still. I did not took anything, but no way you can look for long. Same on Ethereum. Euro USD. Where were we yesterday? Absolutely nothing today. I said that it was not time long yet because of basically order block price action 4 hour. Let's not forget that overall price action is bullish, but it's not the time yet long this. And in 1 hour, I did not like it enough short, but still the same on Euro USD. Either we're looking for something like this in 4 hour, or lower in there. But basically nothing to do on it. Next, Euro GBP. I put this because it was maybe time to short in 1 hour. It was. Did not take it. Maybe just ABC. No. Okay, Euro GBP, nothing new. We're still looking for short bottom forming. Definitely the confirmation 4 hour is up there. That's why he baited me at the beginning of the week, actually. We don't care. Euro GPY, nothing new. Doing this, we could be interested in a long once fractal. Bullish in 4 hour to play the correction of the huge dump we have this week. GBP USD, basically exactly like Euro USD. Too late to short, too soon to long. Let me remove my alert, I don't care anymore. Next, don't hesitate if you want me to analyze something for you. As always, Euro CHF. I was looking for a short. Unfortunately, the price action 1 hour, I don't like it. Why I was looking for a short? So basically, Euro CHF already corrected 50% of his market structure in 1, 2, 3 ABC wave. Stop just in there, and fractal bullish, bearish. So basically, price action, Elliott wave, everything is bearish. But I don't have a confirmation yet to short in 1 hour, so I would like him to do this basically. And if it does, I'll be in short. If he gives something like this in 1 hour, but not the time yet. Eurocad, we don't like it. He range since weeks now. Yes, in daily, still the zone. Too long if we based our analysis in daily time frame. But it's not enough for me. Next, Euro IUD. We missed a long because it's what this morning. We missed it. We missed it. Was it clean enough too long? Didn't play this correction. Fractal 4 hour. The goal was to play probably correction to 50% at least, or ABC. Yeah, it was possible to take it there. And it's probably still possible if there's something in 1 hour or 15 minutes we like in there. We'll see, but the issue is I think you already did ABC in there. Above the target. We'll see, why not? But not the time yet. Next, hesitate if you want me to watch something for you in the meantime. I'm just updating every chart I have as always. USD CAD, but it was time to land there. Divergence there. Nothing to do yet. It's either it's gonna break there, and if we want to short, we'll need something like this, because let's not forget that everything is bearish, and he already corrected 50% of his market structure 4 hour. So it's let's say it's a less good position to too long. So we'll see how the 4 hour 1 hour time will go. Next, USD CHF in there. Not sure. I will keep it with the optimal target as always. We'll see, but everything is on my side. Divergence, price action for 1 hour. Yes, the market structure is bearish, but that doesn't mean it's not gonna correct more actually. It did not even touch the 50% here. That's why I'm in this. We'll see how it goes. Next, USD GPY. You already know everything. Everything is still bearish. I just cut it because I not want to take the risk to divide my profit by 2, basically. But still possible to book it in short. But not yet, we'll see later. I took what? How much I took? 4 points? I took 4.3. Okay. Okay, next, I don't care. Nothing changed here. Nothing to do. Next, gold. Time to short. If you're in there, you can't keep it. As long as the 4 hour time frame don't do something like this, you can keep it, and it's time for the one who are not in there like me, possibly to look for a short in there, probably in 1 or 15-minute time frame later, but probably need to come back there and correction at 50%, a small pullback, and we'll see if we take the trade here. But still nothing new. I'm still bearish on gold, basically. Even if you bait me there, it stopped me. Fine. Even more clean on silver, as you know. Last order block, market structure 4 hour, fractal 4 hour in there. Let's see if it offer us a pullback, basically. Let's offer a pullback. It will be way more clean than gold. And if you're already short on silver, optimal target back to 64.3. Except as always, if you see something like this in 4 hours. Till then, you can keep it. Let me put an alert there on the retest. We'll see what the 1 hour time frame will look like then. Next, GBP AUD, we don't care at all, nothing new. Still in this in 4 hours. Euro NZD, like I said, beginning of the stream. I like it. I took 2 short in there. I made plus 3.5 it was. And now, no liquidity left to take in the 4 hour time frame. Everything is bullish. Daily time frame, fractal bullish too. In 4 hour time frame, it's time to long if we have a pullback. Always the same. Let's see what the 1 hour time frame will look like once we're in there. And the target will be a new high, basically, on the market structure 4 hours. We'll see, but not the time yet to place my order. Okay, next. Don't hesitate if you want me to analyze something else for you, as always. Almost done updating every chart I have. GBP CHF, I was looking potentially for a long to correct all this. The issue is you already corrected 50% of his market structure 4 hours, so now it's either is gonna go there, but as long as you don't break this order block 4 hours, why not? But as you see, in 1 hour, it did not break anything yet, so we can't long, and it will be a very bad idea to long and to do anything with it yet. So we don't care, even if there's some divergence. Actually, it's not enough for me to play with it. Okay, next. I don't care yet about GBP CHF. GBP NZD. Okay. Is in this fractal bullish 4 hour. There. So we possibly play later action. We'll see if we have a pullback, as always. I'm just putting my alert at 50%. And next, GBP CAD, I don't care at all. everything. Market structure, still bullish bearish everywhere. Daily, I probably gonna go at 1.83263. Create a new low in daily time frame. But there's nothing to do yet on it. Next, don't hesitate, guys, if you want me to write something else for you, as always. I'm almost done updating every chart I have. GBP, GPY took the first target there of the daily divergence. Market structure, everything is bearish. It did not give my pullback yet. Euro GPY, there's nothing to do. If you took a short, it was already time to took your profit in there. Once you create the new low, that's the plan I have since like a week or two. Unfortunately, it did not give me the pullback I wanted. Euro GPY, like it's exactly like CAD GPY. And now, personally, I will be out already, and I will take it later if you give me something like this. But depend when what your entry was. But personally, I will be out, and if you're still in it, I will put my SL there at 182.53. And wait for another setup. Short, basically. Okay, next. Where was I? GBPCD, I don't care. GBP, GPY, exactly like CAD GPY in there. Fractal, but create a new low too. We're seeing the 1 hour time frame. It's not time too long anyway. So I don't like them. At least I took my profit on USD GPY. How can I start? Just check some video on YouTube, price action, market structure, and start with that. You don't need to pay anything. I think you have a lot of things on YouTube first. Start understanding trading. What broker do you use? I use Prime XBT personally. And when I don't have enough margin with my own fund, I go on my founded account FTMO basically. Okay, next CAD GPY, like USD GPY did not already took the low, but there's absolutely nothing to do. Is in this. No liquidity in 1 hour in there. In 15, so why not the short? The target is still the low if we see something like this. In 15, once into this small liquidity. If we see something like this, why not take the short if the risk ratio is good. But anyway, nothing to do, unfortunately. Like Euro GPY, it did not give a pullback. I liked it, so sad. Next, UD GPY, I talked about it 2 days ago and yesterday. Said that it was possibly the time for someone asked me, actually it was in yesterday in there. I told him to keep the trade, put easy sell in there, and target this. It's exactly what happened. Now, personally, if I was him, if I was anyone short on AUDGPY, based on the 4-hour price action, order block, and everything, I think I would still keep it. Depends of where your entry was, or how much profit you already have. Anyway, next. Don't hesitate, guys, if you want me to repeat something, if you have any question. CADCH Chef was looking for short in there. Because market structure bearish. Break an internal structure in there. Fractal bearish once again in 4 hours. So actually it's maybe time to take the short in there. To target a new low. Currently, I think in 1 hour or 15 minutes, I don't like it enough. No liquidity here, 15 minutes. Okay. So why not, if we saw something like this in 15, take the short all the way down with the SL either here or there to be safe. We'll see. Not the time yet, basically. Okay, next. We'll see later. CADCHF, why not? AUDNZD, absolutely nothing to do with it in there. Nothing to play, no fractal bearish, 4 hours to play the correction, no divergence, nada. Is there something too long? Don't think so. A structure in 1 hour, 15 minutes, the short goes up there. And not enough for me to trade, basically. Next, AUD, CAD. Okay. Okay, we missed the short. No, actually, we did not. Okay, fractal bearish. Paid people, swap the eye. So I think now it's time to collect at least 50% of market structure per hour. Will it give us a pullback? I think it's a short there, to be honest. Now we need to see if the risk ratio will be okay. Not enough. So we will need probably 15-minute time frame. Find a better entry at least. We can put our box up there in this last liquidity. Basically in 15, we choose market structure. We're waiting for the pullback. It's fractal 4 hour, 1 hour bearish. It's time to look for short. So we'll see if UTCAD is gonna give us something like this, as always, in 15 this time. And we'll be there. Okay, next. Almost done updating all my charts, guys. Don't hesitate if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something for you, as always. AUD, USD, we missed the chart there. Is it possible to entry to take the correction? I don't think so because you are. Maybe yes. Okay, so could be interesting to take the short because fractal 4-hour bearish back already did this move, but it's still interesting because he stopped at 1.61% of the trend-based Fibonacci extension. So on Elliott wave concept, for those who know a bit about this, on paper it's supposed to go down in 5 waves in that case. So maybe we can play this and probably target the 50%. So we'll see. We'll see. Then go back. We'll see in there. Why not? We will need to zoom probably in 15 minutes, but not the time yet to do anything on AUD, CAD. And not the time too long because you have created this huge order block for hour. That's why Tarifi check Euro USD already did, but personally I don't think there's anything to do. Already it just ranging there. Everything is bullish for our daily time frame, everything, but it's not the time too long. You have basically 3 scenarios if you want to long. If you were to play the big long, it's either, but I don't think he's gonna do that. He break this now, but I think he mostly gonna do either this 4 hour or even lower all the way down. So now it just depends what your entry is if you are already in. But right now, personally, I hope for you you're into a short. Even if I think it was soon based on the 1 hour. But I don't think it was about short 3 shots in this order block. Chamin, DAX 40. I have DAX 30 here, but I can check 40. All there. Okay, he has exactly the same face then. DAX 30 anyway. We missed it there. So now, I guess if you ask, because you're in long, at least I hope for you. Well, if I were you, it's always depend of your entry, but I will stay in. It's either I will be out already in this gap, in this order block unfilled there, and because he already did an ABC here, you will see it's between 1 and 1.3. Perfect. I know this just by looking at the chart. So personally, as long as you don't have any close candle above this, if 4 hour, why not staying? But personally, I will be probably out. No liquidity here. Yeah, I think I will be out and I will wait for another long possible in there. But basically, yes, everything was bullish. Yes, the optimal target was all the way up. But when you see the price stopping, like I said, when you see the price make a 3-wave correction like this, stopping between 1 and 1.23 of the trend-based pivot tension, basically, if you see that the fractal bearish breaks some order block, it's not good. Let me add this to my watch list, even if I already have DAX 30. Okay, next. Where was I? Don't hesitate, guys, if you have questions or if you want me to know something else. I was at the AUD USD. Yeah, I said it was maybe time. Look for another short later. AUD CHF, we don't care. Using this in 4 hours. Don't care about this. The optimal long will be in there if we come back here. We'll see, but we don't care now. NZD USD. I don't like it because I did not corrected 50% of this market structure per hour yet, and I don't like the fact that it break this internal structure created. So personally, I absolutely don't like it, but maybe it's gonna be time to short if he re-break this. Oh, my bad. Oh. GBP USD Machai. I don't like it. It's too late to short because yeah, basically it's too late to short. It's too long. I talked about days ago that I didn't like this internal structure created in 4 hours. That it was maybe time to short. Target a small correction in there, but now it's either it does this, either he breaks this, but personally I don't like it. I don't know what is your plan, but personally I don't like it enough to do anything. But Machai, I'm open to any opinion. If you have one, maybe you have a trade in smaller time frame, I don't know. But personally, I don't like it enough. There's other assets way more clean to trade. And the DCAD, okay. It's time to short. Market structure bearish, div daily, took everything, took absolutely every liquidity. Just need one fractal bearish in 4 hours, and I will be interesting to take the short to target a new low and maybe target some targets of the divergence daily. We'll see. not the time yet. Maybe he gave already an entry smaller time frame, but it would be risky in smaller time frame. Actually, just you wouldn't be enough for me to trade this just based on 15 minute time frame yet. So I don't care, okay. Soon in the DCAG, why not? And the DCHF still in it. A bit surprised about this pullback, but I'm still in. I'm surprised it not took this at least. But maybe we'll respect this order block for our. If not, no regrets. It was a good trade. Next, and the DGPY. Absolutely nothing new. Market structure is like this now. Let's hope for a pullback and for a trade in the next few days or next week. Exactly like Euro GPY, CAD GPY, USD GPY just did this week. And here, actually, I maybe care about CHF GPY because of this, yes. That's what I thought. Yes, 4 hour is bearish, but the daily time frame is not yet, and it took all liquidity of the daily time frame. He already fractal in 4 hour bullish. It's definitely time to long CHF GPY actually. I'm already in against GPY with USD. I'm in against GPY with NZD. And I like it too, but I don't like it enough in 1 hour. I would like something like this in 1 hour to be in. And there I'll be in all the way. All day. Let's hope it gives me something like this. Let's hope. But unfortunately, the 1 hour time frame, I don't like it enough yet. Don't like it in 15.2. Okay, just another low. And if it breaks, I'll be in basically. But I'm very interested in CHF GPY. We'll see later. And that's all. I don't trade USD ZAR, but some of you like it. And it's time to probably too long. Market structure is bullish. Yes, daily. I don't like the daily time frame. Don't like the daily time frame, but maybe here. Okay, why not? Why not? I don't trade it, but in 1 hour, if you have something you like in there, why not? Okay, and this I don't care. Okay, guys, I updated every chart I have in my watch list. Basically, nothing to open in the next few hours. I'm just gonna stay chill on the position I already have. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any question or if you want me to repeat something or analyze something you want, a trade you have, a trade ID you have. And I think my trade on SP, I'm safe. Nothing to worry about. Let's hope he's gonna go my target up there. We'll see. But yeah, besides that, no play. And I don't think there's anything to play for the rest of the week. I don't think I will open any other position tomorrow. But I'm open to any opinion. Guys, if you have a trade ideas, don't hesitate to ask my opinion or just to tell me. Maybe I missed something. Oh yeah, I like Hero AUD. Forgot about that. Maybe I will open a trade on Hero AUG before the end of the week. You know, 1 hour I saw something like this in this order box. 4 hour I'm there. Okay. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any question, guys. I'll be live, I think, till the end of the hour. For like 25 minutes. Except if you have more question, I can stay. Chris. Okay, why not? I'm not gonna risk to put this song on the stream because of some copyright, but you know what? I'm gonna save this. Okay. I'm very confident on my plan on USDT UHF, to be honest. But I was too on USDT UHF. This kind of hurt, I think, I thought of. you believe that Fibonacci has a golden zone? Depend. When I started, my entry point was most of the time between 61.8 and 65 back in the day. That's what trader I know personally we were using. But since I progressed into my trading, and now basically I'm not interested in a trade before I have my pullback at 50, and then I can look or zoom in smaller time frame. And if it goes above 75, even more. Basically, if it goes at 75, I can zoom and find the setup in every time frame. Before 75, I don't go under 1 hour time frame, and I need first my confirmation in 4 hour time frame most of the time. Hi mate, Nkateko. Don't hesitate, guys, if you have any question or if you want to know something else for you. As always, already updated every chart I have. Bye, Chris. And also, yeah, I'm interested to take short on silver if I have the pullback. The retest basically will be a 50%. And I even don't mind a pre-shot like this. Even pre-shot for once, it's not bad trade. But in 1 hour time frame, 15 minute time frame, I don't think he's gonna pull back anytime soon. And same hold. And Euro and ZG. Okay, yeah. Probably it's possible, but I open 2 other trade for the end of the week. And probably can be Euro AUD or Euro NZD. And the DCAD I think is gonna be next week. And I maybe skip ship why if the 1 hour time frame gives something like this. But here Let's see. Okay, guys, let's stay chill on my trade on SP. Let us dare to ask if you want me to ask something else, or if you have any question, and if not, I'm gonna close the live soon. I took it a bit soon, to be honest, SP, because I was afraid that he don't give the pullback in there. That's why I just took it in 4 hours, basically. There. But the perfect trade to take was once he broke this. Was absolutely perfect. Take it in there. Once we add the confirmation in 1 hour like this, will be an even better entry and better risk reward. Uh, 2.1k, and if it goes at my optimal CP, check MetaTrader. $4.8. Yes, like this. Okay, we'll see, but for now, I'm definitely safe on my trade. In my trade with SP, looking 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, I have nothing to worry about. I definitely don't have to get my profits. Less clean Nasdaq, less clean. But why not if you're in it? As long as you don't see exactly the same anything like this in 4 hours, you can keep it. And actually, the difference in Nasdaq is that based on the daily 4 hour time frame, the optimal target is all the way down. Mo'o, I just took the same trade as you. On which asset, Mo'o? because this I opened it yesterday. And the DCHF also. Today I just opened USDCHF. But yeah, SP was clean. I mean, he baked me once, but actually, if I would want to be safe, I would have put my SL a bit higher at the 123% Fibonacci, and would be okay. But anyway, I'm confident enough to retake the trade later if I stay in 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. Honestly, I can't remember the last time one asset stopped me twice in a row. So Mo, if you're still on the stream, don't hesitate to say which trade you took. And we are on the same train. Wish you profit. And to be honest, yesterday, yes, it stopped me, but honestly, I think without the news, it was NFP. I think it wouldn't. Oh, when did you start trading? I start during COVID 2020, exactly. And I'm full-time since October 2023, so... What about you, Mo? When did you start trading? I want to sell a USD, please. Let me check. Let me check. USD. What did I say about AUD USD? Yes, I want short it too, but not yet. I want to short it because it did not correct it 50% Fibonacci of its previous market structure in 4 hours, because Ifractal bearish 4 hours already yesterday, during the night actually. And actually, the perfect trade take was for this morning there. This afternoon actually. There. Would have been perfect. This candle. Now. Based on the 4-hour order block. I like it too. And based on where he stopped there. 1, 2, 3. It did not stop in there. I indeed can be tested. Right, but yes, like you say, I needed to back. Lucas, trading is not science. Yes, true. Just probability. Trading is just like, in my mind, it's just like poker, you know. Me to take the most IV plus decision in the long run. Take the trade where the probabilities are more on your side. But yeah, UD, AUD, USD, not yet at the time, but I can be in it later to short like Q3s. And I think it does on the compact there. And fill order block and Fibonacci of the current market structure 4 hour. I think that will be my target. I think. Can you check boom in crash market? What is that, Marianne? Actually, don't know what you're talking about. Okay, SP just keep going down. I steady break this in 1 hour. There's not gonna be any back anyway. Marian, what do you think tomorrow CPI will be for US 30? On paper, I don't think it's time to long US 30. That's all I know. I'm someone who trade the chart, not the news. And most of the time anyway, if you have the good analysis on your chart, because the news goes on your way. But now on US 30, the thing is he already corrected more than 50% of his current market structure 4 hour. Market structure 4 hour is still bullish. Fractal in daily. In 4 hour. Anyway, not the time too long yet. I would like something like this. In 4 hour. Even in daily, so honestly about the news I don't know and I don't care. Mariam, like I said on US 30, anyway, it's not the time to too long or too short. So personally, I don't care. It depends if you're a long-term investor. As long as you don't break 48.4, you can stay in it. Everything is bullish, but it's not the time yet to open any long based on the 4-hour structure, 4-hour time frame. Yeah, to be honest, I did not look US 30. I did not like the chart enough. Nasdaq, not Nasdaq, SP was way more clean. And Nasdaq, yeah, everything is bearish on Nasdaq daily 4 hour. So that's why I was looking for shorts. That's why I took 4 or 5k profit. No, it was 4 in there. But in big time frame, I would have hoped a pullback in this gap first. And SP did it actually. So that's why I trade SP for this time. Not Nasdaq or US 30. You see a buy for CPI? Well, I don't know, to be honest. All of the charts are saying it's not time to buy. And I don't gamble the news, personally. And like I said, I'll be out. Maybe I'll cut my profit if I see something like this in 4 hours. But if not, my target is all the way down there on SP personally. Mariam, do you come on then place your trade? Yes, if I have a trade in mind and the opportunity is there, I opened it in live, or I replace my order in live. Yeah, but for now, actually I have. Let me check. Yeah, I just have an order placed right now on Euro NZD. But beside that, I have my 3 trade there. SP, USDC Chef, NZDC Chef. And I placed my order on Euro NZD. And actually need to move it. I just hope he's gonna give me my pullback, Euro NZD actually. Mariam, about the way I trade the news, it depends. For example, if I have a trade on USD pair, yes, I'll be out. For example, if my trade on USD CHF stay like this, I'm gonna cut it before the news. SP, it depends where it is and how the price action gonna look like in 4 hours. Probably gonna keep it. But at least I put all my trade at break even. Even if sometimes with the spread it's not enough. And I only do that for CPY, FOMC. And FP I don't care actually. USD CHF, yes, I don't think it's too late. But like you said, tomorrow CPY. But on paper, with the chart, we have a lot of things on our side. Divergence, price action 4 hour, 1 hour. It did not corrected yet 50% of his 4 hour market structure. So anyway, no regrets about this trade. Whatever happened. We'll see, yeah, he's at my entry price anyway. Do as you want. The only thing is why I don't like people to take the trade. I take it because yes, my optimal TP is there, but that don't mean I'm not gonna cut the trade before if I see something I don't like. So you're not gonna know exactly what I'm gonna do with this trade. And it's the same personally. If I take a stop loss, I don't mind. I'm confident enough, and I know where, I know when and where I can open another one. It's like SP, for example. SP baked me once 2 days ago. Maybe some people took the same trade than me, but personally I'm confident enough, and I took another one right after because I know how the market moves basically. Anyway, don't gamble. Learn how to trade, but don't copy anyone. That's my best advice. Just because of the 1 hour time frame there, I'm gonna delete my order on Euro NZD, and I'm just gonna keep my alerts and be in if the 1 hour time frame do something like that. So the plan is still the same, but I'm not gonna pre-shot. Mariam, when did you, what time I come in live? To be honest, it depends. Every time I say I'm saying that I'm gonna try to always come at the same time, but lately I come at 8 CAT time, like I did today. Because I've seen that there's a bit more people on the live, and sometimes I open also a trade before the US session. Open a stream, sorry. Don't hesitate, guys, if you have any last question. I'm super gonna cut the stream. I can stay a bit longer if you have any other question or if you want me to ask something else for you. But basically, you know, my plan, my targets on everything now. Basically, if I open another position before the end of the week, so before tomorrow midnight, midnight 11 for me actually. It's if I see something like that in 1 hour on Euro NZD. Once it pull back at 50% at least. Same on Euro AUD in this order block for our and I think that's it. GBP CHF, I don't like the 1 hour time frame. EAD CHF, same. There's something like this, why not? And the DCAG, if he does something like this, I will see in there in 1 hour if I have information, and it could be all the way down. And oh yeah, NAUG, UAD, I forgot. If I have a pullback thing, I will check the 1 hour time frame. If I see something like this, I could be and that's it, I think. Did I forget something? Oh, well, silver, yeah, maybe, but I don't think silver is gonna. I don't think it's gonna pull back, to be fair. I don't think it's gonna pull back, to be fair. We'll see. Alert just rang on NZDCAD. Now it's time to wait for the pullback in the next few days. Mo is nice to say, but I doubt what you're saying. I don't stream for much longer for you to be profitable. And to be honest, even if you already understand the way I trade, you need more. You need more experience yourself, especially mentally, and to build your own confidence in the way I trade. But yeah, keep going if you want to be a trader. But and that's my best advice for everyone, don't trade because you want free money, because you think trading gonna save your life. You don't like. Fix your life first, be stable mentally, and then maybe you're gonna be profitable. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go. Wish you the best. Wish you profit if you have some trade open. And probably gonna see you tomorrow, same time at least. And if I feel like it, maybe gonna open another live before US session basically. And maybe for CPY. So yeah, see you guys. Wish you the best and good evening to everyone.